Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency and showing you how to find your Robinhood wallet address in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in. Next, navigate to the crypto section. You can do this by tapping on the Crypto tab at the bottom of the screen or by searching directly for your desired cryptocurrency. Now, select the cryptocurrency you need the wallet address for. For this example, let's choose Bitcoin. Here's the important part. Look for an option that says Receive or Deposit. This is usually located near the top of the cryptocurrency's main page. Once you tap on Receive, you'll see a QR code and a long string of numbers and letters. That's your wallet address. Tap on the Copy button to copy this address to your clipboard. And there you have it. You've successfully found and copied your Robinhood wallet address. You can now use this address to receive funds. Thanks for watching, everyone.